I can't believe what you say to me. Last night we were alone. You threw your arms up, baby, you gave up, you gave up. I can't believe how you looked at me with your James Dean glossy eyes, with your tight jeans, with your long hair, and your cigarette stained lies. Could we fix you if you broke? And is your punchline just a joke? I'll never talk again. Oh boy, you've left me speechless. You've left me speechless, so speechless. And I'll never love again. Oh boy, you've left me speechless. You've left me speechless, so speechless. I can't believe how you slurred on me with your half-wide broken jaw. You popped my heart seams, all my bubble dreams, bubble dreams. I can't believe how you looked at me with your Johnny Walker eyes. He's gonna get you, and after he's through, there's gonna be no love left to ride. And I know that it's complicated, but I'm a loser in a love, so baby, raise a glass to man, all the broken hearts and all my ripped up friends. I'll never talk again. Oh boy, you've left me speechless. You've left me speechless, so speechless. And I'll never love again. Oh friend, you've left me speechless. You've left me speechless, so speechless. And after all the drinks and the bars that we've been to, would you give it all up? Could I give it all up for you? And after all the boys and girls that we've been through, would you give it up? Could I give it all up if I promised for you? That I'll never talk again, and I'll never love again. I'll never write a song, won't even sing along. I'll never love again. So speechless. You left me speechless, so speechless. Will you ever talk again? Oh boy, why are you so speechless? You've left me speechless, so speechless. Now men may follow me if you choose death and company. Why are you so speechless?